With us today from the press center of the German national team is Mr. Jacob Klaus from RTL from Germany. Can you tell us your opinion, expectation for the group phase of your team?
Yes, I think we are very self-confident because the German team is champion, world champion 2014, and the quality of the personal staff is better than 4 years ago. We have another problem in our team at the moment. Perhaps you recognized it. New Zealand, Gundogan, two wonderful players playing in England. They made a photo together with the Turkish president 3 weeks ago, and it's a big spectacle in Germany because the fans couldn't understand this because Mr. Erdogan is not a democratic man, and so we have a big discussion, and the fans are whistling if Özil and Gundogan are playing, and that's the problem for Jogi Löw. He wants to bring the best, the strongest 11 on Sunday against Mexico. What should he do if the fans were crying against them? So that's our internal problem. Otherwise, we have no problem with the staff because Jerome Boateng is fit again, Manuel Neuer is fit again, so we are on a good way. For us, the most important thing is to start with a victory against Mexico. Then the German team is very strong in the tournament. They will getting stronger and stronger, but this is the key to overstay this first match, and then I think they can reach the quarter or half final. But then I think it's finito because Spain, French, Brazil are more stronger than us. But let's see what's happening.
Who do you expect in a second round?
In the second round, my dear, I have to say, we don't want to face Brazil because they are too strong, and in their hearts there are this 7-1 from 2014 Belo Horizonte. I think this time they would do it a lot of better. So what's about Serbia? Serbia, it's a great team, and I can remember in 2010 Germany, Serbia, we lost against Serbia the second match at the World Championship. It's often the most difficult match of Germany, but I will look forward to Serbia because they are playing very body taking,
Yes.
so perhaps we can make it with our technique.
Okay.
Let's see what's happening. Thank you.
Great. Dankeschön.
Bitteschön.